Okay, this is the Amana PTAC unit that we have here in our room in Stillwater, Oklahoma. This time we're actually staying for 2 nights. So, anyways, who cares about that? But here it is. You know, at the hotel in San Diego, we didn't have a PTAC unit. So, okay, model, let's see. It's from 2008, August 2008. It's a 1-ton, 12,000 BTU. There's the data right there. It's made in Houston, Texas. And it's actually controlled by the thing on the unit, so I like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Do startup shutdown. Or actually, I'm gonna use this chair right here. We're gonna sit the camera on. Okay, so there's the shutdown. So we're gonna wait for the compressor and stuff. So, we're waiting. There's out the window. All those Comfort Maker units are down there. I'll probably film them again, just like always. So, see them. Okay. And then while we're waiting, here's the thermostat right here. It's an Amana thermostat. Off and heat, cool. So yeah, just a basic, nothing fancy about this thermostat. So alright, well, we're gonna go ahead and turn it back on, I guess. So it's got this little covering thing. So anyways, alright. Okay, so startup shutdown. So I guess over and out. Okay, here's another Amana PTAC unit right here. It's basically the same as the one in the room. So, alright. There's one more down there. I'll go get it. It's the same. I'm not gonna open it.